guys. Let me take this time to welcome you to South Hills Computer Science. For the past 20 years, I've been the South Hills Computer Science Department. We can go further and say I think I might be the only computer science teacher in the district, pure computer science. But let's move on. Let's not go there. That's always my plea to get more computer science teachers. Please, more computer science teachers. So tonight I want to introduce you to a little of what I've been up to in those 20 years. So let's get going. This is going to be great. All right. You ready, Paul? Yeah, it's going to be great. Okay. Don't get so... You always get mad. I don't know why, man. All right. Be cool. Welcome to another episode of the Mighty Code Coder. I'm Rob Fitzgerald, here to make you great and help you innovate. In this episode, I'm going to introduce you to what we've been up to at South Hills over the last 20 years in our computer science department. So, 20 years ago, day one, no, just kidding. I'm not going to do that. Let's not do that. Let me show you some online resources that you can peruse on your own to see what we've been up to for the last 20 years. And it'll explain kind of what our program is about in the meantime. I want to start just by saying this, you guys. The first resource I'm going to show you is the Mighty Code Coder YouTube channel. Okay? The reason I put together a YouTube channel is to meet the kids where they're at. I found more and more kids having studios and channels, and they're on Twitch and they're gaming. And I felt like in education, we weren't where they were at. We weren't, meeting them where they're at. And so I created this, and I do what the kids told me this. This is a reveal. I'm revealing my face. So in the gamer thing, and some of you guys have kids that have this, they like to reveal their face. So I created this, and you know what I found during this time, during COVID, I found that as I see them in their settings, they look, one, natural, and two, comfortable. Because I think education, we were uptight about this, but I think we're hitting them where they're at. And I see their setups, and they might have a gamer chair, they might have lighting, they might have headphones, but they look very natural. They don't look like they're anxious at all, and I think we're going to make it through this, and I think it might be part of our situation for a long time to come. And I'm getting more comfortable too. So basically, if you look at my videos, I didn't start this year thinking I was going to do this, but these 6 videos up here are, we've only been in school 7 days, and I have 6 videos. Only the first day did I not record. During the first day, I go, why am I not recording this and putting it up there for kids that are having technical difficulties? Why don't I just record it, put it up there? And so I did on the second day. So I missed only the first day. I have every day. I want to make sure I turn the music off because I'm going to go into that just now. I have every day, including today. And here's today's. This is today's lecture right here behind me. And you can see this is called Born to Run, 98% Sure Born to Lose. And what I did today was Amazon. I am an Amazon educated ambassador, and I'm bringing Amazon to every one of our classes. And they do the curriculum. They do it in a Canvas setting. And today's AWS project was an AI project where they take some words, any words, and the computer analyzes it and gets a sentiment score. So see this 99% confidence or 0% confidence. So if it puts something in there, it's going to see if it's positive or negative. So I took a couple songs. I took Bruce Springsteen's Born to Run, which for my generation or someone like me, that was a song that really was, get out there and conquer the world. And it felt positive. It felt strong. It was very motivating, right? And so we took that and we put it in there. And it didn't come out too positive. And then the other song I put in was Happy by Pharrell, just to make sure that, everyone knows that's a happy, positive song. And it was about 99% sure. Actually, it was 98% in English. I then translate it to Spanish, and Pharrell got a 99% Google or Amazon, the AI determined it was a positive song, but not Bruce. I don't know if Bruce ever thought about it. When I converted Bruce's song to Spanish, he went from 15% uh, negative or positive, down to only 3%. He was 77% negative. That Born to Run song. Born to Run. Okay, Born to Run. Okay, big song, big motivating song for many, and they don't even know it mainly has negative lyrics. So I don't know if Bruce was into that or knew that or not. So the YouTube channel, go check it out. You can see it at the very top of the channel. These resources I'm talking about are up here. Also, I have a Twitter account for the Mighty Code Coder. Sometimes I can't get everything on video, and or if I'm reading something over the weekend, I'll put some stuff up here. We created this because the CSP, Computer Science Principles, had to write the impact of computer innovation, and so I would find some articles on the impact of computer innovation and put them on the Twitter account just to give the kids an idea of what to write about. Now that you don't have to write about the impact of computer, but we still have the Twitter account. And so I always put what I'm reading, what interests me. And in order to get your head around, I tell you, in the last 20 years, in order to even come close to staying up in tech, you've got to be reading. You got to be in touch with certain Twitter accounts, and you got to read articles, and you can still barely keep up with it. But this is what I'm reading, and if you want to keep up, you can look at what I put on the Twitter account. Okay. Another one that you might want to keep up with is the Mighty Code Coder website. Okay. The reason why this has some tutorials from YouTube, you can get those on YouTube also, but we create apps, and one of the apps we created was the South Hills app. And you could download this app for a Mac if you have MacBook Pro. And if you look up here, see where it says distance learning? That usually will tell you, let me scroll my mouse so you can see what I'm pointing to. That's usually where I could put how many minutes are left in class. Okay, and so you as a parent could, if you put that on your computer, you'll know what period your student is in or your kid is in and how many minutes are left in class. So it's really a cool app. Download it and apply it to your Mac. Sorry, PC users, I don't have one for you yet. I'll try to make that this year. The last resource, I know we're coming up on time, we have about 3 minutes, is my own site, which is robfitzgerald.com. And in robfitzgerald.com, these are all the things we've been doing over the past 20 years, and this is like a portfolio piece. So it shows like this is a contest we did. Here's the Mighty Code Coder website. And then we also have some animation. There's Paul, by the way. All right. Paul, I didn't tell the kids yet this, but Paul is in a YouTube video also right here called SPF Season 1 Trader Joe's. So if you want to see where Paul came from. Why are you mad? You're mad I told you that? I told him that? Why? That's a great animation. Anyway, so that's everything in a nutshell, and in 10 minutes I think we did pretty good. So this is my outro. That does it for this episode. Hope that you enjoyed it. Remember, always trying to make you great and help you innovate. So until next time, Paul, what? Oh, yeah. If you have questions, you can leave comments below or go to the website at www.themightycodecoder.com or find me on Twitter at MightyCodeCoder. Thanks for watching.